Can you hide Instagram posts from one person? In order to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to make sure that you are running the latest version of the app. If not, head over to your app store and then update it. Once you've got the latest version, simply open the app Instagram. Enter your login credential and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this homepage. Once you have been logged in, now what you want to do is head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and then click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. It will open up your settings and activity of Instagram. Scroll down. Over here you can see the section of who can see your content. Simply move into hide story and live. So the thing is, you are only able to hide the story and live from one person. There is no any feature or the option where you are able to hide the post from one person. But if you really want to hide, then what you want to do is go back and head over to account privacy. Over here, instead of making your account public, you have to set it to private account. After that, you can remove the person from your followers list. This way, that person won't be able to view your post. After that, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can hide your post from one person on Instagram. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.